Hi everyone, I know how much you all love a nice quick, easy and delicious recipe, and I've got a great little one for you today that's only going to take you about 5 minutes to make. I'm going to be using shop bought puff pastry, and I'm going to be making a lovely cheese, tomato and pesto puff pastry tart with it. So all you have to do is get yourself a nice big baking tray, line it with some greaseproof paper and roll your puff pastry out on it. This one I got in Aldi. Nice and cheap. You don't have to spend a lot of money on the more expensive ones. Don't be wasting your money. Just get Aldi, Lidl or Tesco's own. So onto here I'm going to add my tomato sauce. I make my own tomato sauce for pizzas and for pasta and for my bolognese, and I'll share the recipe for it with you. If you don't want to make it, you can just use a shop bought tomato passata or puree, whichever you prefer, and add some little herbs to it as well. So I'm going to get about 2 tablespoons of my sauce on here. Spread it out, nice and even. I'll share the link to the recipe for my pasta sauce if any of you wants to make it. I make big batches of it, so I always have some in the freeze. That's lovely and even, happy with that. Next up, it's my green pesto. This one I've made myself. I do a full video on how to make a lovely pesto, and I'll share it in the comments below. If you don't want to make it, you can get some nice ones in the shop, but I will include the amounts and the method for making this in the recipe as well. You can check the video out if you need any help. So I'm just going to dot a couple of about 2 tablespoons of the pesto just around the base. Now for the cheese, I've got some mature cheese here, mature cheddar cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle this over. Got about 150 grams. I've also got some grated parmesan cheese, 50 grams. Sprinkling that over too. You can put anything on this. If you wanted to put some cooked chicken, be lovely on it. Olives, gorgeous. And now for my tomatoes, I use cherry tomatoes and I've just cut them in half. So just arrange them evenly on top. And there you have it. It's ready for the oven now, and it's going to go into the oven for about 25 minutes. I'm ready to cut into this now, and the best thing to use is a pizza cutter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in 3 down the long way and then 4. So we'll get 12 slices. The pastry is nice and crunchy. And we're ready to get some onto a plate. This will be lovely with some salad or some chips. And there you have it, everyone. A nice easy recipe for you all to try out. It's tasty, it's cheap to make, and a great way of using up leftovers that you've got in your fridge. You can put anything in this. As I said, I'll post links to my pasta sauce recipe, which I used in this, and my pesto recipe. They are gorgeous recipes. We love them, especially this time of the year. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Happy baking, everyone, and enjoy. See you soon. Bye bye.